What's up guys, I'm at a channel, and today we're actually doing different stuff in iRacing. We're actually working on the semi engine here. Well, actually, no, we're just taking everything off this engine and putting on that engine, but we're actually just gonna be just taking things off the engine here for now and just doing that, and then on a nicer day we'll actually put it on this engine. But for now, just gonna remove this stuff off here and be one step closer to getting this thing finalized and finished. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna get the starter off here, and then we're gonna move up to get this thing off here, and then we're gonna get the power steering slash air compressor off over there. Now we're probably gonna use this starter on that engine because this one looks like it has the original. This looks a little more new. This could even be original as well, but it looks in a better shape than the other one. That I need the power steering pump off of, and then this has a hole in it on the other engine, so gotta replace that with that other one there. Well, take this one, put it on that engine. Alright, got that massive vast starter off. Now let's move up to here and then move on to there. Oh my god. Yep, that's water. Alright, we gotta make sure this thing's okay, because that was a lot of water in that. Yeah, I didn't think I needed this until recently, so hopefully it's just not bad. So I'm just gonna take off this guy for now. I may try to get him off, I'm not sure, but first we're gonna definitely need to get him off. Alright, that's all that is. Alright, next step is going to be probably ripping off the clutch housing here, and this guy and all this good old stuff here. Now we're going to keep this because I need to keep it just so I can find out which one I need for the transmission that's in there. But we're going to get it off, going to get a new one of these, and then hopefully get this bell housing off as well. This actually looks pretty damn good, so we might reuse it, but it might be bad because I left it out here for so long, thinking that was going to be terribly bad. But, you know what though? Definitely needs a new flywheel because it's actually, there's a big giant groove right here. So, definitely need a new flywheel. Like, it's probably not bad, but there's a nice groove in that. But, alright, let's continue along. I'll see if I can, where I'm going to put this thing. I don't know where I'm going to put it. And that's why I love the Milwaukee. There's actually, that's actually even one of the lower ones. There actually is there's one that has, I think has 1,100 foot-pounds. There's one that has like 1,800 foot-pounds. So that's a pretty damn good drill, or impact, excuse me. All right. That's on there, that's off. What is that? Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, well, I'll keep that in mind of that was there. Alright, so next thing we gotta do is get these bolts here all loosened up. Also get this up here loosened up because it's blocking 2 of the main bolts up there. So let's get these loosened up and get to work. Alright. Well, I don't like that there's water inside this engine, but I will say everything looks clean. I'm gonna go with that for now, and I'm gonna hope that maybe this engine was just left outside and water just got in. So I'm hoping for that. I'm hoping water just, I'm hoping that this cover was just leaking and then water dripped down into this and made a mess, but it's all inside there too though. It's hard for you guys to see, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to take this oil pan off and really see what's going on here. Alright guys, so we got all this stuff removed, everything from that engine. I hope I got everything removed. I removed the air compressor, which I really didn't need to, but I did. It's good to get a spare of those. So yeah, we got all that removed. So that's me for this video. It's just gonna be just remove that stuff. And then hopefully next time it's gonna be let's put all that stuff onto the other engine. And hopefully we can get the thing into the truck very soon. I gotta go order some gaskets, I gotta go order some seals and things like that right now, so I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out, edit it, get a couple of videos edited for the next weekend because I got my anniversary stuff like that this weekend, so gotta get some videos up for our daily videos and stuff like that. So yeah, so listen, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment below any advice if you have anything on a Cummins engine or anything like that, or doing this work, and subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes for all dreams. Don't let it get anyway. Stay maverick. I'll see you guys next one.